As personal taxes, I've been 20 years plus. Corporate, probably I'm on my. I'll have to go all the way back to probably about 20 years ago. My personal taxes were like abysmal. They were a mess. Don't be cheap. I know that it's hard sometimes. You might want to do your own bookkeeping, or you might want to do some other things to sort of cut corners. But having a good accountant, it's not just a number with Mahad. He actually takes you on and he treats you like a real customer. Full service all the time.
Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Victoria from Tax Partners, and I'm here today with amazing Glenn Farrell. Would you like to tell me a little bit about yourself and your business?
So hi, I'm Glenn Farrell, as you mentioned. I run a company called Modern Consulting Group Inc. And we work with a number of companies, anywhere from an SMB to large corporations, helping them with their digital transformation. And that includes anything from modernizing their AI strategies to modernizing their security and their operational strategies.
Wonderful, wonderful. May I ask, what is the name of your company?
Modern Consulting Group Inc.
Wonderful. And you have a Facebook page where...
Working on it. It's a TBD.
It's a work in process.
Work in process.
We'll keep all of our followers updated.
Absolutely. But most of my business is really word of mouth. I mean, I think I've built a good clientele of portfolio of customers that really help me to kind of keep the work refreshed and new.
That's wonderful. Yes, I believe that's the best marketing tool. Right? That's how you get it there. Can I ask you, how long have you been a client of Tax Partners?
As personal taxes, I've been 20 years plus. Corporate, probably I'm on my 10 years. 10 years.
Wonderful. Is there any accountant that you're normally used to deal with that you would say, that's my accountant?
Given the amount of time that I've been with Tax Partners, I've dealt with Mahad a lot. So he's my favorite, but they all do a great job. Right? They absolutely do a great job.
So by that you're saying we do your personal and your corporate.
Correct. Yes.
Any of the service we have provided you, you've said, okay, that was a relief, or I was looking for that kind of service or advice.
Yeah, I think, I'll have to go all the way back to probably about 20 years ago. My personal taxes were like abysmal. They were a mess. And they were able to kind of really get me focusing not only on my current tax year, but start thinking about forward-looking taxes as well. So they helped me with that preparation. And then as far as my business, they've always just, having them do both has always helped me to sort of maximize my return. Right?
So would you recommend Tax Partners to other clients?
Recommending Tax Partners has been, I think, probably a lifelong dream. No, kidding. I recommend a number of friends, both their personal accounts and their businesses, and I'll continue to recommend. I think that it's not just a number with Mahad. He actually takes you on and he treats you like a real customer. Full service all the time. They're timely on the responses, professional on the responses. So yes, 5 out of 5 for sure.
Wonderful. That's great to know. That's great to know.
Do you have any advice that Mahad gave to you?
No advice. I think that he's continuing to grow. He's continuing to use modern technology. He stays apprised of all the tax law and legal aspects. So I think he always keeps me abreast of what's going on. I know that I have had other accountants doing my personal, but since I started my business, he's been the only one, and I don't think I would switch.
Okay, wonderful. Would you say that he has helped you save somehow in your business?
100%, 100%. He's honestly helped me to not just save money, think about investment strategies, growth, a number of things. It's a good full service. Right?
That's wonderful to know. That's wonderful to know. Is there anything that you would like to add for our followers about your business?
No, not really. I think if I could sell a little bit, I would say that, in the space that I'm in, helping companies figure out their IT strategy, I think that it's important now with the security landscape. And I think SMBs, small businesses, they should start considering that as well. I know that sometimes that's not where they want to invest in, but sometimes the defensive posture is important. Right?
Wonderful. I hope all of our followers listen to it. And good advice should be always taken in a good way, and maybe you should follow it.
A good tax advice for small or new businesses: don't be cheap. I know that it's hard sometimes. You might want to do your own bookkeeping, or you might want to do some other things to sort of cut corners. But having a good accountant, I think is the most important thing when you're starting off, because they can help you with those strategies and make sure that you are actually spending your money where you need to. Right?
Well, thank you so much for being here today. We really appreciate you coming over, and we hope to see you soon.
Always. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Hit that follow button, and don't forget to follow our client.
Thank you.